I didn't grow up like your typical farm kid. My dad farmed with his two brothers, but he also had a full-time job off the farm. The farm didn't expand fast enough, and he had to make sacrifices to provide for his family. That was something he instilled in me at a very young age, and I've always admired him for teaching me that. Much like my dad, I have always wanted to farm. As a young boy, I'd wake up early before I had to go to school, go outside and watch the tractors in the field. I just always loved the smell of the soil being turned over. It was then and still is my favorite thing about spring. I didn't really start farming until I was in my 40s. Just like my dad, I had to make sacrifices. Not only do I farm part-time with my two cousins, but I own and operate an insurance agency. It can be difficult at times, but we all have the same goal: keep the family farm going. For us, you farm for the lifestyle. You don't farm for the money. It's the love of the land and the work we get to do. That desire to be out in the field kicking up the dirt. To me, that's worth all the sacrifices. That's why I farm.